the idea with the digital audit is also to get quick wins, and you can start implementing those quick wins. You can start seeing some immediate gains. You might find that there's a profile that's incorrectly set up. You can correct it, or you find that, you've got duplicate websites that are competing with each other online. It's confusing for a customer.
Exactly.
Remove the one, merge them. There's certain things that need to be implemented quickly. And also the idea with a digital audit is you're not going to fix everything overnight. Digital audit, you're playing a long game. It needs to also be done on a regular basis. You need to incrementally run it so you can actually measure against those KPIs to see.
It's the foundation to your strategy, and it's also the foundation to building on your strategy as you go along. Yeah. And that's why you need to do more than just a report. You need to do an audit. I'm a firm believer that not every social media platform is made for every business. And I think by doing this audit, you can definitely find your path and where you belong as a business online.
Yeah. Fundamentally, the audit is meant to be a high-level report of what's going on. And then that leads to the informed decisions to guide the strategy. Everyone gets lost in the strategy because it means they don't have to implement anything. It's very easy to talk about what you want to do, what you're going to do, but doing it and then actually measuring it is something completely different. So the audit really also shouldn't be this convoluted, laborious task. It's painful to look under the hood and to see that things are not working well, or data doesn't line up and things have been embellished. That is painful. But if you do it in a constructive way, and if you do it in an efficient way, then at least you've got a plan that can form the foundation of what you want to put a strategy on. And I think that that's where a lot of businesses get lost, because I don't know what to look for. Simple thing like saying, what are your digital properties? Anything that is online that represents the business is a digital property. It's how they interact together that's crucial. Audit is important that it follows a structure. There's certain key pillars that you need to look at. Digitally, you need to understand that those are the same pillars that effectively you should be measuring against.
Those are the pillars that are going to translate to your strategy. That's going to translate to your implementation.
Absolutely.
That's what carries you through the entire process of effectively marketing in a digital world.
Yeah. So if we took one of those pillars, for example, would be visibility. So visibility is what we build a strategy around.
Your brand awareness.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That translates from a digital audit directly into a strategy, which directly then goes into an implementation plan.
And I think what we're trying to highlight here is that it's not something we want clients to do. It's something you should be doing to market digitally.
And on a regular basis. But also to keep it simple. Start somewhere. Build it out in digestible chunks. What we're saying here is you've got to start high level from the top, plan, and then work your way through it. And start digging and looking at every aspect and looking at it from a client perspective.
I'm Cami, we're Firewater, let's chat.